and in the way they look. For the first time, we're introducing an entirely new way to customize your mobile phone with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition.
What you say, you and me, live the life we never had, like we're never going back. Feel like sun on my skin. I know it sounds super cliche, but you make me feel some type of way. This is falling, falling in love, falling in love.
There's no one quite like you. Your tastes and preferences are unique. And with the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition, we're empowering you to share them with the world. To make this possible, our teams work together to bring you some incredible design options. Let's take a look.
We all have different needs, passions, and styles. Everyone is unique, and that inspires us. So, why do most smartphones only come in a few colors? We don't want to be put in a box. We want to truly stand out and open up new possibilities. It's in our DNA to push the limits, to shift the paradigm of technology and offer more choices. The Galaxy experience has always reflected diverse preferences. Now, we are introducing an exciting new way to express yourself and show your personality. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 emphasizes simplicity with a tone-on-tone palette that matches its metal frame. But for the Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition, we wanted to take a different approach. We looked everywhere for inspiration, fashion, design, and automotives. We conducted an extensive search and narrowed down timeless and trendy color options to choose from. The result? 5 iconic and fashionable options, plus 2 hinge and frame colors in black or silver. Each color and combination is curated to make a visceral impact, creating a beautiful contrast between the front and back panels and even the frame. It's all up to you. One phone, available with 49 different color combinations. Now your phone is even more personal. Every Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition is made to order. Log on to Samsung.com, choose your colors, and an incredible automatic production journey begins. When orders come in from around the world, they're automatically submitted to Samsung's supply chain management system, and we get to work straight away. First, we pull together color panels that match each unique order. Then, we assemble the body of the phone piece by piece. Along the way, and at every step, we check each order to make sure it matches your choice. Next, the back panel is attached to the lower part of the device. And finally, we assemble the front part of the phone's main body. And there you have it, your very own Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition, made to order. From start to finish, from Samsung.com to the palm of your hand. Every order reflects you. And it's all made possible by Samsung's integrated process, systematic and quality controlled across all stages. Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition combines your unique taste with so many possibilities. Tailor it, order it, love it. The start of a new smartphone paradigm tailored to fit you. Your Galaxy, your way.
This is the first time we've ever given customers this level of personalization on their mobile device. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition will be available in select markets starting today, exclusively at Samsung.com. And we're planning to expand it to more markets soon. And we know that your style is always evolving. For a fee, you'll be able to swap the colored panels on your Galaxy Z Flip 3 Bespoke Edition later on. So when your taste changes, your design can too. We're so proud to bring you more ways to make your device reflect your personality. And this is only the beginning. We look forward to introducing more bespoke experiences in the near future. This goes far beyond a distinctive exterior. We're committed to bringing you more unique experiences across your entire Galaxy ecosystem.